natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD, or slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we are approaching to negative MACD territory. We did see the 9 moving average diverge onto the 18 moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. With the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see a diverge, and as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. And my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $13.56, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $15.22, and my stop loss is at $12.87. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $15.40, my sell target is at $14.30, and my stop loss is at $15.60. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has an 80% chance to climb between 0 to 6.4%, and a 20% chance to fall between negative 6.4 to negative 12.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.